Hi, and welcome to this course. My name is Maurizio De Angelis, and I'm a digital and traditional artist working in London. I created this course to teach you how to paint and blend in Photoshop and Procreate. So if you want to learn digital painting and become a professional artist, this is the course for you. I've chosen a Noir Masterpiece to teach you how to paint and blend because art from the past is an immense source of inspiration, and it's definitely the right place to begin our journey. I have a background in traditional oil painting and drawing. I've been commissioned to do lots of portraits throughout the years. Then I've taken my knowledge to the digital world, becoming a scientific illustrator and 3D modeler, working in the UK for VFX companies in the advertisement and film industry. So let's have a look at what this course is about. In the first part of the course, you'll learn the basics and understand the differences between the two softwares. Don't worry if you are a complete beginner, I will guide you through every tool that we're going to use. We start our painting from scratch, showing you how to make the initial drawing and also create an old-looking background that you can both download. Then I'll guide you through the painting and blending process, and you discover that it's not about the brush or the software you use, but more about the way you approach painting. You will learn how to paint the figure, understand volumes and shading, and explore the brush settings to achieve a nice and smooth surface, which is the most challenging aspect of digital painting. We'll also explore a variety of skin colors, and you'll be able to download a collection of 20 skin types to use for your own projects. Lastly, we'll create the background, walk through some color adjustment, and apply textures to the surface to simulate different kinds of materials. It may seem like a lot, but don't worry, we're going to learn the entire process step by step, and we're going to keep it simple and consistent. By the end of the course, you will be able to create art that will give you a sense of pride. The painter in you is about to be awakened, so let's get started.